There are so many cool things you can do with Life Hack. From shrinking chip bag into a miniature, making a rocket from Coca-Cola, even turn your shoe into waterproof. Before that, don't forget to hit the red button below to subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Shrink chip bag into miniature. Have you ever think of shrinking machine that can turn something to smaller size? Are they only exist in the movie? With Life Hacks, it is possible. All you need is just a microwave and empty chip bag. Put an empty chip bag inside your microwave for 5 seconds in high temperature. You'll watch the chip bag turns to a miniature. Two. Make a popcorn using flat iron. Prepare 1 popcorn seed and hair straightener. Insert 1 popcorn seed in between your straightener and wait for a while. Turn on your hair straightener and wait for 20 to 45 seconds. The seed will transform into a popcorn. Here is the scientific explanation. The heat transmitted by the straightener will cook the seed into popcorn, the same way as you done it in the microwave or popcorn maker. 3. Remove permanent marker on your skin. Have you ever in a condition where you want to get rid of the permanent marker on your skin? It won't go away even though you've tried to wash it so hard. Get a liquid glue and put it on the area where you wish the mark go away. Rub it around the area and wait until it dry. Now, peel the dry glue off your skin. Magically, it will take the permanent marker away as well. Number 4. Make a dancing floating stick man. Draw a sticky man or anything on your plate with your dry erase marker. Pour water on the plate slowly. Now, your drawing will start to move. The ink in the dry erase marker is less dense than the water. When you pour water to this dry erase marker ink, it will pull out the doodle off the surface which cause it look magically float on the water. Number 5. Fix dent on the car. If your car got dented due to minor bang, don't worry. Spray the hot water on the dent area consistently for 10 to 15 seconds. Suck the dent area with your vacuum pump afterwards. Watch the magic happen. This trick only work on the bumper part where it made from plastic. 6. Turn a whisk to a head massager. First, cut the whisk string using the piles in the center. Then, use the glue gun on every end of the string and let the glue dry. This is to make the end of the string softer and won't damage your head. 7. Make the water look freeze instantly.
Fucking God! It's frozen! It's literally frozen!
First, fill an empty balloon with water. Then, tie the balloon and ensure to tie it tightly. Stick 4 tapes to your balloon and poke it with the needle. Keep the central area small to get the best result. The best wide is 0.5 to 1 cm wide. Instead of using big objects such as knife, use a needle or pin instead to get the best result. Try to minimize the hole size as possible. The bigger size the hole is, the shorter duration of this freeze effect lasts. Remember that, when you film this to your TikTok or social media, make sure to only show the first part of the water where the freeze effect is more obvious. This is actually a laminar flow effect which happens when water is pushed out of a small opening with a bit of force. This laminar flow effect actually happened quite common in our real life, but we did not realize it. 8. Coca-Cola rocket. Before that, please note that don't ever try this inside your house. Do this trick outside the house, preferably an empty field that has no people.
What happens when you mix butane gas with original taste Coca-Cola?
Fill the Coke with butane. Use the piler to hold the end of the butane when you filling the Coke. This is to protect your hand from the butane gas. Please note that the smell of butane can be smelly enough and it's recommended for you to wear a mask. After done filling the Coke with butane, carefully reverse the Coke bottle position to face down. Your Coke will turn into a rocket. Butane is a low-temperature non-polar liquid at about 0 Celsius. When you add the butane to the Coke, it will form a liquid on top of the Coke, it don't mix with the Coke. As you flip the bottle, the Coke creates a contact with the butane liquid and they started to form a butane gas. While the new butane gas does not have any CO2, it caused the CO2 from coke rushes into the butane gas and explode. 9. Erase any pen marks using straightener. If you want to remove all the notes from your paper, the easiest and fastest way is by using hair straightener. If you don't believe, draw or write random things on the empty paper using pen. Use straightener on the paper slowly and you'll see your drawings or writings disappear magically. The ink disappear due to the heat. This is because when heated, it causes the molecule shape to change to be completely transparent. Number 10. 3-in-1 McDonald's Life Hacks. What you need is just one set of McDonald's burger, which includes the burger, fries, and drinks. First thing you need to do is make a small hole in the middle of the burger container. Then, take the burger container and put in the straw in that hole. Put all your fries to the other side of the burger container. Now you can hold all the 3 items just with one hand while eating in the same time with the other hand. Number 11. DIY cardio at home. All you need is just water and liquid soap. If you're too lazy to get into gym, all you need is find a spot in your house where you can grip tightly with your hands. Put some water and liquid soap on the floor and start to walk on it. However, make sure to grip strongly, or you can slip down on the floor. 12. Make your shoe waterproof. During the rainy season, all these water can damage and make your shoe dirty. However, there is actually a way to make your shoe waterproof. All you need to do is rub the candle all over your shoes. Now, try to pour some water on it and see the magic. 13. Get rid of the chicken wing bones easily. If you want to easily eat chicken wings without a huge mess, remove the bones before you take a bite. Twist one end of the chicken wing to loosen the bone and remove it. 14. Close a chip bag without any clip. Have you ever faced a situation when you can't find any rubber around after halfway snacking? Well, you actually don't need one. Just follow this folding technique and keep the freshness of your snack. 15. Make your money look like new again. If you have crumpled paper money as your change, don't get mad. You can actually use a hair straightener to make it look like new again. Put your hair straightener at the lowest temperature and start to iron your money slowly.